So I'm gonna open my Mountain Rose Herbs box. It's Christmas and I got all kinds of good stuff. Every other year I make cookies for all my friends on my list, but this year I'm gonna make them a winter wellness kit with herbal cough drops and other things to help them stay well. Preventatives, elderberries, echinacea, vitamin C pills. So, thought you guys might want to see what I got. I'll try and go through each thing. I also ordered some other stuff. I got mullein, which is great for your lungs. And unfortunately, that's right at the top, so I have to fess up that I am a smoker and I'm trying to quit. And people have recommended a mullein leaf blend, which supports your lungs, won't have any nicotine in it, so hopefully I can kick the nicotine habit and then the smoking habit. I got some tea filters. I'm gonna put little tags on them, give them like a mullein tea, echinacea tea, a sore throat tea. I got Damiana, which also is for my smoking blend. Everything for my smoking blend is right at the top. That's a great relaxant, and if you can get your hubby to take it, it's a nice aphrodisiac too. Ginger root. See, I made a list here because I wasn't sure if I would remember. Oh, I'm going to put this in a candy. Ginger root does boost immunity and it warms you up. Anti-inflammatory, helps you get all that mucus out when you are sick. Slippery elm bark, that's going to go in a cough syrup for more of like a sore throat and a dry cough. Give your throat a little coating when you're hacking. I got some hyssop. That's going to go in the cough drops. It's warming. They're antiviral, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory for like that swollen, dry, kind of whooping cough. I got 8 ounces of elderberries. Elderberries are pretty much fantastic for everything. I think where they really are strong though is they stop viruses from being able to replicate. They're even effective against things like H1N1. Echinacea, that's everybody's favorite. And I have 3 patches that I rotate and dig each year, but I can never get quite enough. So I snip off all the roots and replant them. They never seem to have a problem with that, but gotta supplement a little with some that I buy. I got something wrapped right here, maybe. Oh, a bay laurel essential oil. And add a couple drops of that into the cough drops, but not a lot. We got some more elderberries because they only came in 8 ounces, so I had to order 2. What do I got here? Skull cap. That's to help you sleep, relax you, and for those sleepless nights. Frankincense. I'm really excited about this. It really isn't for my herbal wellness kits for my friends. It is for my husband. I've been making him a cream. He had golfer's elbow. The doctor couldn't do anything for it. He said he would have to get surgery on it. Well, I made him some frankincense cream, which I had to beg him to use because he didn't feel any instant relief. But I finally talked him into using it. I said, use it for 3 weeks. And if it doesn't work, I'll never bug you again. Well, he came to me in about a week and a half and he said, oh my gosh, I was at work today and I lifted something and I felt no pain whatsoever. So I have been using frankincense essential oil, but I wanted to get the real thing because I feel like the real thing's got to be better. Essential oil it's boiled down and the steam is separated to an oil and a hydrosol, so I figured if I can melt this down into some oil for his cream, I get everything great about it, and it smells awesome. All right, what else do we got here? Elecampane. campaign. What am I going to put that in? Oh, an Oxmel, which is infused vinegar. Vinegar, honey, and different herbs. It's an expectorant, so it'll help you get that phlegm up. I got some marshmallow. Marshmallow is great demulcent, so it'll coat your mucous membranes. I think I'm gonna put that in a tea and something else. I can't remember. I have like 7 recipes worked up. Amalia, that I'm gonna put in a vitamin C little pasty. Amala has an awesome amount of vitamin C. It's also great on a sore throat. It's good for your hair, which has nothing to do with my use right now. Herba Ursi is astringent and it helps reduce inflammation. Swollen lymph nodes, swollen throat. What else do we got? Persiphone's tea. I got this actually to help me quit smoking. It is a nice rooty blend and it's supposed to help detox your body, get things out of it faster. Rosehip powder, I believe I got these for some kind of pasty. What was it? Oh, I think the vitamin C pasty, so a preventative. All right, I don't even know how to say this. Arceola berry powder. This is very high in vitamin C. It's an antioxidant. It's prevents heart disease too. So those 3 things will go in there: the rose hips, the amala, and the arceola. We got some sweet cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is a little bit of a flavor in a syrup that I'm gonna make. A rooty syrup to prevent illness. Prevention's better than taking care of it when you're already sick. So it's just a little bit of flavor, but cinnamon is warming, it's sweet, it can soothe irritated tissues. What else do we got? Lobelia. This relaxes your lungs, so it's great for asthma, bronchitis, whooping cough. And I'm just about empty here. Oh, and the ever famous chamomile. My daughter actually drinks this tea to help her relax and sleep at night. Relaxes the body. It is also antispasmodic if you are ill, having those like spasming coughs. I got some licorice root here. I had some, but not quite enough to do what I want to do. This is antiviral, it's sweet, it's demulcent. Again, it'll coat those dried out tissues. And then I should have a couple 4-ounce bottles, and I wasn't sure how big they were gonna be, so I hope they're big enough to be able to give everybody. Yeah, that looks about like I thought it was gonna look. So 4-ounce bottle, about this big. Can you put some cough syrup in it or some preventative rooty syrup, echinacea, elderberries, some astragalus goes in there too, I believe. So I'm gonna give everybody some of that. Tomorrow or maybe the next day, I'll be posting the things as I'm making them. So, see you then.